Have you ever thought about getting into the hobby of woodworking? With Ted's woodworking plans, you can create woodworking projects quickly and easily. You will have all the information at your fingertips to choose the project you would like to work on and complete it in a reasonable amount of time and at the best price. Ted McGrath has been a woodworker for many years and understands exactly what it takes to make you a success. This understanding allowed him to put together the best set of plans available with are focused on giving you everything you need to become a knowledgeable woodworker. Advantages of Ted's woodworking plans. To be successful at your woodworking projects, you are going to need the right information. This includes schematics, blueprints, a complete materials list, dimensions and so forth. This is where this set of plans excels. Along with all of this information, you will also get a step-by-step explanation of how the project should be put together, thus increasing your chances of success. By going through this process, you will be learning the basic concepts of woodworking that you are going to need later. Another advantage to Ted's woodworking plans is that it gives you a complete list of tools that you will need to complete each project. This is an advantage to the new woodworker just starting out because you will be spending money only on the tools you need to complete a project you have chosen. This is a great way to build your collection of tools as you need them. Many other sites offer a collection of plans, but you will find that they do not pay particular attention to dimensions, parts lists, or other critical information that is needed. Many people have bought these plans only to become frustrated and disappointed. If you are new to woodworking or have a few projects under your belt, you are going to find these plans easy to follow, complete, and clearly written. They are designed to be straightforward and not complicated. Even if you have never done any woodworking before, you will be able to master the techniques that you will need and increase your woodworking skills very quickly if you follow these concise and clear directions. Along with everything we have mentioned, you also receive a great collection of how-to videos. These include videos on how to build benches, dog houses, bird feeders, sheds, and a host of other projects. These bring you detailed information from start to finish. Included in this package is also lifetime member access that gives you all of the extras at no additional cost. This feature alone makes the price worth it. The disadvantages. The first disadvantage that I saw was the sheer volume of the plans offered. You can imagine that with over 16,000 plans, organizing them into the correct categories can offer a challenge. Sometimes you need to spend a little time looking for a particular plan. Another disadvantage is the time that it takes to download some of these plans. Because of the size of some of the plans, the download time seems to be a little longer. This can be remedied in the members area, where you have the option to upgrade to the DVD version. Conclusion. I have been a woodworker for many years now, and I know if I had Ted's woodworking plans at the beginning of my career, the learning curve would have been greatly reduced. There is nothing around that even compares to the scope and quality of the projects offered. If you are new to woodworking or just thinking about getting started, this is a must-have if you are truly serious. If you want to learn more about woodworking, then please click the link in the description below this video now.